Hi, this is Pam Didner. I've been speaking about artificial intelligence impact in marketing at several conferences. It was well received. I have discovered, though, that many marketers are intimidated by the term AI or artificial intelligence. Well, don't be. There's a marketing conference called Marketing Artificial Intelligence Conference on July 16th to 18th in Cleveland, Ohio. I will be doing a workshop and a panel. The workshop is called How to Leverage AI for Sales Enablement. So I will be sharing different AI-based platforms and tools at different sales stages and also the buyer's journey. If you are interested, check out detailed description on the website. If you are a marketing manager working very closely with sales or sales operations, sales enablement managers working very closely with marketing, this workshop is for you. For my panel, several of us will be discussing the potential of a truly intelligent sales and marketing automations. So we will be discussing the next generations of marketing and sales automation tools in the context of AIs. So it should be a lot of fun. I hope to see you there. Again, Marketing Artificial Intelligence Conference, July 16th to 18th, Cleveland, Ohio. And if you want to register, use the promo code Didner200. Again, DIDNER 200. You can get $200 off of your registration fee. I hope to see you there. Thanks a lot. Bye.